Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be guiding you through how you can block and unblock someone on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Sometimes you might want to block some person on TikTok so that they won't be able to view your content and you won't be able to see theirs as well in the future. So in this case, watch the video till the end. Tap open TikTok application first, and once you do that, sign into your account if necessary. From the home screen of TikTok, tap on the Discover button at the bottom of the screen, and at the top of the screen, in the search box, type in a username you want to block. Once you find the contact, tap on the contact and you'll be taken to the profile page of the contact. Tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. You'll be able to see that at the very bottom there is a block option. Tap on block and confirm blocking by tapping on confirm from the pop-up. After you block the person, you won't be able to see any videos they've posted till date, and similarly they won't be able to see your profile as well. Now if you want to unblock the person, you can simply go to the Me button at the bottom right corner from your home screen, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen, and under Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy under Account and scroll all the way down to find Blocked Accounts button. Tap on Blocked Accounts and you'll be able to see the list of the blocked contacts that you've made till date. Now tap on Unblock in order to unblock the person, and the person will be unblocked back again. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.